Hello, good day friends. Today we will see how you can enter and exit Fastboot Mode in Samsung Galaxy A07. It's very simple. First, make sure you have this type of USB Type-C cable and it should be connected with your PC or laptop. Otherwise, this method won't work. So, let's connect it. Now, after connecting it, press this power button and this menu will appear. Tap on power off, tap again. Now your mobile will be completely power off. After turning off, press this power button and volume up button together. Wait for a few seconds and this menu of fast boot mode will appear. As you can see, you can navigate through up and down through volume buttons, and to enter, press this power button. Now go to reboot to bootloader, which is second option, and this kind of screen will appear. Now wait for a few seconds. Now press this power button and volume down button to exit the fast boot mode. Hold it for a few seconds and now your mobile will restart. As you can see, the mobile is now restarting. Wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, the mobile is now completely turned on. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like. Do consider us subscribing and I will see you in next video.